Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alyxisldm. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the bottom, and my social medias will be on the descriptions box below. So today it is another weekly vlog. We had some cozy days, and I basically done told y'all about the retwist that I just done. This looks so good right now. In this weekly vlog, it's just gonna be another regular daily routine editing, because I do have to sit there and edit this vlog tomorrow. That will be my main priority. I have been editing, like I said, all day, non-stop. Last night, edit my lumen crochet release now, so go ahead and check that out. I sat in and filmed today my retwist, which is going to be called the retwist ritual, which that won't be released till Sunday. The rest of the day, we is just gonna have just a regular cozy night. I'm currently watching a movie right now. It is called This Day In, because y'all, I'm literally so exhausted from doing filmage, on top of doing my retwist, and on top of doing photography as well. So we is going to resume back the very next day. All right, so it is the very next day. It is almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I just currently me something to eat. Is your dip in chips with a little beef in it. First, I am going to finish the vlog. I just have to sit there, trim down 5 more minutes of that filmage, and afterwards I gotta sit there and edit this makeup tutorial for you guys, because your girl, she did a makeup for y'all today. I took the eyeshadows off because I just feel like, you know, I'm not gonna be going anywhere. It was just for decorations, just, you know, photography and stuff. And then I gotta pretty much edit some photography. This is so good. And afterwards, another winter storm watch, of course. So I have to sit there, really get prepared for another storm. They said that it's going to happen Saturday. Today is Thursday, so I really have to sit there, go ahead and get prepared for that again. How much I get done today, it'll come out Tuesday for sure. I'm gonna have to go ahead, get the vlog priority like finished, like that's my main priority, and get the photos, you know, done. The makeup tutorial that I have done for you guys. That's really just for today, is editing this last bit of this vlog, watch it over it again, vlog and stuff. I will go ahead and edit a little bit of the makeup tutorial. With that makeup tutorial, it's 33 minutes. So I have to sit there, cut that down to like 10-20 minutes. So we'll see. But I'm gonna check back in a little bit later. So yeah. Good morning, everybody. So it is the very next day. I got to film a little bit of the glimpse of the snow going on. So as y'all can tell in the very like it is snow out here. And I'll just turn around right here.
Isn't it so pretty, y'all?
As you guys can also see that it is pretty much snowed out here. Really what we done is just ran in to get some items for the house for a little bit. Currently right now letting Benji kind of just playing and snowing a little bit. And I'm also just gonna be looking around just for the morning, just to kind of, feel some air, since I basically done sat in the house for the entire time of the snow break. I don't know why I'm not wearing a head wrap, but it's okay. So, and I pretty much just woke up, like literally just woke up. So I know I'm finna say this in a little bit, but don't mind the face. So if I look kind of crazy right now, y'all know why. I'm gonna go ahead and keep on,
Filming
a little bit later. So yeah.
I decided to cook me some simple breakfast, as y'all can see here, as my plate looks so beautifully done. And y'all, that whole plate worth of that is pretty much like 987 calories. So, and plus, make sure y'all take y'all supplements too, especially in the morning time. So yeah.
Alright, so it is the very next day. It is the second snowstorm. I'm just out here letting Benji pretty much just play outside in the snow, thing extra with it, and then also just kind of like get some fresh air as well. Little pimple situation going on, so I kind of had to sit here and cover up my head a little bit, but it's okay though. It's fine. I mean, my skin still looks good. It still looks flawless and everything. So, yeah. But I think all I have planned today is really just rest mostly. And then, of course, finishing out my website, because even though my website, my official website, it is completed, but it still needs some tweaking to it. Currently, right now, I actually started it last night. I am actually writing my third book. I don't know what the title is right now. I know that the book is more towards like a fiction book, but also it's gonna be a magna as well. So I'm gonna be creating like fiction and also like a comic book. I'm probably gonna play a little bit of Artopia, only at level 50.
Y'all don't mind me, I kind of had a little buffer.
Now there, last but not least, I am probably gonna take some more photography. Like, I feel like the littlest things for me really does matter a lot, especially like, taking pictures of the snow and the clouds outside, and really just every little bit of moment really, matters to me. So go ahead and just relax out here for a bit, and I'll sit there and check in a little bit. Alright, so it is the very next day. Anything but just pretty much like the glimpse of. So it was actually fun, y'all. Like I really sat there and enjoyed myself during this snow. Honestly, I just did not, expect it to come like towards like the end of January and then more towards, February. I pretty much done edit. I mean, literally like sat there and edit all day. So I do have is an effortless goddess tutorial that comes out Sunday. Currently, filming this one. I think I have 2 videos in the queue. What I want to sit there do pretty much today is just, kind of relax a little bit. Supposed to be going to my mom's crib soon, which that will be on, the next vlog for why you do that? Acting on him. You wanna say hi? I'm in editing all day. Like I started editing around 8 o'clock and I did not get finished with the editing until 5, 6 o'clock p.m. So
The Sagittarius laugh.
also like for this week too, I actually turned is 3 years and 3 months a lot. I think I already said that, yesterday. I can't remember, but I do turn 3 years and 3 months a lot on this third set of locks. So I'm really excited because like now like my hair is actually touching above the armpit length. So I'm super excited. Also was catching up on One Piece too, which I think that I'm on episode 630.
So this is definitely the embarrassment face. Honestly, don't judge.
I try to sit there and, keep all that going. And y'all, that is a long ass show. And honestly, I should have been a lot more further than what I was supposed to be. But bruh. Head and check in a little bit later. So yeah.
This is the aftermath of the snowstorm of the second one, and I'm so thankful that I got to sit outside for a moment to get some fresh air. I call this moment slow motion, soulful moments. I want to sit and tell you guys thank you for tuning in to my channel. Y'all comment down below what's y'all best parts in this film. I hope I get to see y'all next time. Peace.